your skin clean like Jesus. Oh, man, where was someone? The other day when they meet me. Do you think I go out with it? Wait. Brother, top Friday, me son of dance. Girl, me meet at the club last night, but me don't know what to tell her, say. You see, you meet the girl at the club last night and you don't know what to tell her, say. At least that, brother. What you normally tell her, say? What me normally tell her, say? I just normally go over there and pick up my nose. Just hear her. Guess what you have to tell her, say? Call her back and tell her, say. Just go on here and tell her something nice. You see, just tell her, say, you like her and I see him boy when you see her club. Just give her a call, brother. I don't know what to say to the girl. I'm going to call her and tell her, say. Let me say, daddy. Just call her, brother. You see me? You say, call her, brother. Brother, me no mean if you call the girl, brother. Me just mean if you call her, brother. Me think you say if you call her, brother. You me call, brother. Brother, just call the girl. Call her, dog. You know. Alright, me go call her. I'll talk to you later. Me go call her. Hello, baby. Yeah, me and boy from the club from one night. Yeah. Let me stop pick up my nose not now. Oh, are you a terrorize my girlfriend? But guess what? My grandmother come from Montego Bay. And tomorrow, your teeth will miss me. Your hair will miss me. Your foot will miss me. So you hear what I tell you?
Please check to ensure that you have enough credit to make this call. If you do have enough credit, please hang up and try making your call later.
Oh, hang up. You know I'm best for him.
More than my fight, more man a rise. So me not gonna make it now, I be my man a driver. Remember the words of my mother voice. Keep your head in the sky and your eyes on the prize. Punish down the left, people paralyzed.